Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 6, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 7.25 points. Right now, the futures are sitting at 23.74 per contract. All in all, you can see that the futures were lower here right around 3:30 in the morning, so they have come off the lows a little bit, but yet they are still negative on the trading day. Now, last week was a pretty interesting trading week. We've seen some up and down movement. All in all, the markets did finish positive. We'll see how this week plays out. Now, today is a Monday. Mondays usually are pretty much on the light volume side, but we do have a gap down today, so it's going to make things interesting right off the bat. It is also an anniversary date. This is the 8-year anniversary from the bottom in 2009. That is when the S&P did go down as low as 666. So again, we're going to see how this all plays out today. Should be an interesting session. All right, the first stock we're going to take a look at this morning is going to be Tyson Foods. Stock right now is getting hit a bit. Closed at $63.60. It looks like there has been a case of bird flu at one of their farms. We'll see how it plays out. Either way, the stock right now is trading at $61.65. So when I look at the stock, I have to think 57.80, right around there, 57.75 would be a bounce level. Keep that level on the radar if it does get down there. So $57.75, $57.80, that is an area where I get interested in Tyson Foods. Next up, we're going to take a look at Netflix, NFLX. I believe this was upgraded this morning. The stock right now is trading at $140.84. It did close at $139.14. So Netflix holding up pretty nicely, getting a little bit of a pop. We'll see if it's anything else comes about once the opening bell rings in the market. We'll see what kind of pattern forms here. But right now, you do have an upgrade in Netflix, and that is giving a little bit of a rise ahead of the opening bell right now. All right, let's take a look at Alcoa. It looks like that was also upgraded. So this stock's trading at $36.72, closed at $36.38. So we'll see how that plays out. Delta Airlines came out with some projections. Looks like that stock is selling off. You can check out the news for yourself. Stock closed at $50.13. It is now trading at $49.15. If Delta does get down to around the $47.80 level, I do like it there. So let's keep that on the radar today. $47.80. I don't know if it gets there, but if it does, we like Delta at that level. Next up, we're going to take a look at GoPro. GPRO is the ticker symbol here. Stock was downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Looks like it's trading at $8.48. Closed at $8.84. So this is down ticking a little bit. We'll see how that plays out. I don't really see much to do here for GoPro at the moment. The stock is making new all-time highs. So we'll keep it on the radar, and we'll just let the market tell us more. Next up, we want to take a look at Deutsche Bank. Ticker symbol is DB. They raised some capital over the weekend. The stock right now is trading at $19 and a penny, closed at $19.35. I like a possible level for this would be around $18.85. So keep that on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. And by the way, if you haven't been in the chat room this year, we've been really knocking the ball off the cover. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about. Again, really good week last week, and we're going to look to keep that going again this week. Let's take a look here at Credit Suisse in sympathy to Deutsche Bank. This is trading lower. Stock closed at $15.80. It is now trading at $15.26. So this is getting hit a little bit this morning. Again, the only level I'm really seeing for this would be around around $14.60. Should the stock get down to around that $14.60 level, I do like it a lot there. We'll see how it looks. We'll keep it on the radar. We do have gold futures this morning trading up by about $6.80. Right now, spot gold trading at $1,233 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good gold ETF, you see this is trading at $117.43. Basically flat from Friday's close. Let's go over to crude oil, which is trading down about 10 cents this morning. Crude right now is sitting at around $53.30 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that is also basically flat this morning. So again, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. But all in all, this is sitting at $11.31, close at $11.29. So again, oil and gold We'll keep them on watch, but we have a few stocks out here moving. Today is a Monday. Mondays usually have lighter volume, but hey, these markets could start to get volatile with the gap down this morning. Right now, S&P at 500 E-mini futures trading down 7.25. So we'll see how this plays out. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there, short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.